Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to my another video. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing good. Viewers, in this video I will gonna show you most latest and most beautiful birthday cake ideas for baby girls and teenage girls. Viewers, I hope you will enjoy my video. Please watch my video till end. If you are watching my video very first time or if you are a new viewer on my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the daily updates. If you have any query or any demand, please tell us on comment section. We will try to make videos on the basis of your demands and try to fulfill your demands. As you can see, these all are very beautiful birthday cakes for baby girls and girls and women. Please like my video, share my video as well, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Viewers, I really hope you will enjoy my video. Viewers, thank you so much for watching my full video.